3 video editors. One is free and used on Marvel films. One charges you hundreds per year and dominates the job market. And one is made by the same company as TikTok, has 200 million users and was banned on United States government devices over national security concerns. DaVinci, Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut. This comparison isn't just about features, it's about what you're trading for convenience. Sounds like something worth investigating, right? I went through the privacy policies, the government investigations, and the user communities for all 3. And that's when I started getting suspicious. Let's break it down. Quick context. Resolve is the free professional editor from Blackmagic Design, Hollywood color grading, visual effects, and audio mixing in one app. Free since 2011, Premiere is the industry standard. Subscription only since 2013. Adobe ecosystem. CapCut was created in 2019 by ByteDance, the same Beijing, based company that owns TikTok. Originally called Jianying in China, rebranded as CapCut for international markets in 2020. 200 million users. Mobile-first design with a desktop version added later. 2 professional editors and 1 social media tool. But the social media tool has something the other 2 don't. 200 million pairs of eyes on it. Let's start with Resolve. At this point in the series, you know the Resolve story. $600,000 Hollywood system. Blackmagic bought it, made it free. 14 years of kept promises. Free version exports 4K at 60 frames per second. No watermark, no crippled features. Studio costs $295. One time, lifetime updates. Color grading used on Marvel films. Fairlight for audio, Fusion for visual effects. All in one app. Cross-platform on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The learning curve is steep. 4 pages. Node-based effects. Serious hardware requirements. 16 gigs minimum, 32. Recommended. But the investment pays dividends. Skills in Resolve transfer to professional careers. The software is growing in industry adoption. Studios are hiring Resolve editors. The trajectory is upward. And Blackmagic is an Australian company with transparent business practices. No data harvesting, no surveillance concerns, no government bans. Your projects stay on your computer. That last point is about to become very relevant. Now Premiere. Premiere's value proposition is the job market. Over 90% of professional editing positions require it. The ecosystem with After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition is seamless. Cross-platform support means Mac and Windows studios collaborate without friction. $720 per year, forever. Performance that doesn't justify the price. Crashes, playback lag, 50% cancellation penalties. Adobe's business practices are hostile, but the infrastructure around Premiere is real. Clients expect it. Studios use it. Freelancers need it on their CV. For many professional careers, there's currently no way around it. Nothing new there. Let's talk about the interesting one. Now CapCut. Let's start with what CapCut does well, because it genuinely does some things brilliantly. The mobile app is phenomenal. Touch-optimized editing that makes cutting TikToks and Instagram Reels feel effortless. Complete beginners are producing content in 10 minutes. Auto captions, trending templates, effects that sync with whatever's viral this week. For short-form social media content, the workflow is faster than anything Premiere or Resolve can offer. TikTok integration is seamless, which makes sense given they share a parent company. Export directly to TikTok with optimized settings. Access trending sounds and effects before they appear elsewhere. If your entire workflow is TikTok creation, CapCut removes every point of friction. The Pro subscription costs $7.99 per month or $74.99 per year, removes the watermark, unlocks premium effects and templates. Compared to Adobe's $720 per year, that's pocket change. So what's the problem? ByteDance. CapCut is made by ByteDance, headquartered in Beijing, the same company that owns TikTok, the same company that's faced government scrutiny across multiple countries over data privacy. In February 2023, the United States government banned CapCut on all federal devices, the same ban that hit TikTok. National security concerns, data potentially flowing to servers subject to Chinese government data access laws. In December 2024, an investigation reported that ByteDance had been training artificial intelligence models on user-uploaded videos without explicit consent. Your content used to improve their AI without asking. The terms of service grant ByteDance broad rights to content you upload through the platform. Read them carefully. Most people don't. Now, does that matter for casual content? If you're editing public TikTok dances and meme compilations, probably not. That content is public by design. But if you're editing client work, proprietary business content, unreleased projects, or anything with sensitive footage, you're routing it through infrastructure owned by a company that multiple governments have flagged as a security concern. That's not paranoia. That's documented government action across multiple countries. And there's a practical risk beyond privacy. If TikTok faces restrictions or bans in your country, CapCut likely follows. Same parent company, same regulatory targets. Building your entire workflow around CapCut means building it on a platform with genuine regulatory uncertainty. The desktop version is also considerably weaker than the mobile app. Many features are mobile only. Color grading is basic. Audio editing is primitive. Timeline flexibility is limited. CapCut was designed for phones first, and the desktop experience reflects that. Lovely. Right, so here's where I land. DaVinci Resolve is the clear winner for anyone who takes editing seriously. Free professional tools, 4K, export, color grading that surpasses everything else here. No data harvesting, no government bans, no regulatory uncertainty. Studio at $295 for lifetime updates. Skills that transfer to professional careers. Australian company with transparent practices. Premiere Pro is for professionals whose careers require Adobe. The ecosystem works. The job market demands it. Expensive, frustrating, and currently irreplaceable for many industries. CapCut is for casual short-form social media content where privacy isn't a concern. The mobile editing experience is genuinely best in class. For TikTok and Instagram Reels creators who prioritize speed and ease, nothing is faster. But if privacy matters to you, if you're editing client work, or if you want skills that build toward a professional career, CapCut isn't the tool. DaVinci Resolve does everything CapCut does on desktop for free without sending your data through ByteDance infrastructure. Same price, $0. One is used on Hollywood films, the other is banned on government computers. Choose accordingly. If you learned something new today, subscribe. I investigate software so you don't waste money learning the hard way.